Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about substitution for definite integrals.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here, the integral from -3 to 0 of a negative 8x over 2x squared plus 3 squared dx, and we're given a u value of 2x squared plus 3, and we want to evaluate this definite integral. Now we're already given a u value, so let's go find my du value. My du value right here, I want to find the derivative of u. 2 comes down times 4, or times 2 is 4, so we have 4x dx right there. Okay? So with that, we want to see how we can write this in terms of u. Well, right now my u clearly is that 2x squared plus 3. My du is a 4x dx, but we have an 8x dx right here. Well, 8 breaks apart, right, to be 2 times 4. And now we see our 4x dx being the du right there. Okay? So what can we do? Well, we want to rewrite this. I'm going to ignore these values right here. Let's write this in terms of u. Well, we have a negative 2 left over u squared du. Not bad. But what about our bounds? We were bound from -3 to 0, but that's in terms of x. Well, to change this, I have my u value in terms of x, and I'll plug my -3 in for this x to find it in terms of u. So we have 2 times a -3 squared plus 3. And what does that come out to be? Well, 2 times -3 squared plus 3 is a 21. So 21 now is the new lower bound. Let's do the same thing with the upper bound. 2 times the upper bound being 0 squared plus 3, and that comes out to be a positive 3. So our upper bound here is 3. So now this is a much easier integral to solve, the integral of from 21 to 3 of -2 over u squared du. This integral, when we integrate it, comes out to be 2 over u, and we're integrating from 21 to 3 right there. Okay? Well, from there, we need to plug in 21 in for u and 3 in for u and use our rules here. So 3 goes in first, so we have 2 over a 3 minus 2 over a 21. With that being said, 2 over 3 minus 2 over 21 comes out to be 4 over 7, which is approximately a 0.571. But there we have it. We integrated our integral in terms of u and then solved it. Our final answer here became a 4 over 7. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.